Hello and welcome. I'm Sam, a scout leader from Holy Trinity Scout Group, and I want to introduce the Camp at Home virtual camp. So today I'm going to just run through how to pack a rucksack, talking about sleeping choices, which shelter to choose, what to cook, and different food choices, and finishing up with the campfire. Point 1, pack a bag. Got a bag? Let's talk through some essentials. Sleeping bag. Okay, good sleeping bag. Think about how cold it's going to be. If it gets over cold at night, you might want a blanket. Two purposes, keep you warm, but I've got a camp blanket because we're going to have a campfire later. It could be quite useful. Something to lie on, I've got a carry mat. You could use a lilo, camp bed, or even just bring down a duvet and lie down on the floor. You don't have to rough it. I've got a pillow, why not go in luxury? Some extra clothes, warm jumper, because it could be surprising how cool it gets overnight. Another pair of trousers, always useful. Drink bottle, overnight, you might want to have a drink. And because it's going to get dark, a nice torch. So get all your stuff together, put it in a bag, take it on down, either into your garden or into your house if you're going to build it down. Step 2, sleeping. Let's choose a shelter. Should we start with building a den? Let's go. Can I have some help?
Yeah.
So, had a look around the house, found an era and some blankets. Experiment, I'm sure you've built them at home, see what you can come up with. So, put an air up, blanket over, den. So, had a look around the house and also got a height tent. So, going to put that one up, see what I think about that, and I'll show you that later. Next choice, I've got a pop-up tent. So, we'll get that one up and see what that looks like as well. Pop-up tent. Next option. Now, if you haven't got tents, especially scouts and explorers, you must all have a survival bag. We use them all the time when we go hiking. So, that's an option. You can bivvy out in there. Open your bag, get your sleeping bag inside, job done. Whereas, I think this Thursday, Thursday the 30th, when we do the sleepover, I think I'm going to bivvy out as well, but I've got more of a material bivvy bag, and I'm just going to sleep out under the stars. Step 3, cooking options. Let's see what we can find. I've got a lightweight hiking stove called a Trangier. Probably going to go with that. Have a look round. You might have a little gas stove, or even a bigger gas stove. Barbecue, which we'll come on to later, or a gas barbecue. So you might want to choose your food around what sort of stove you've got. If you've got no camping stuff or barbecues, always go inside, cook a meal. But part of the rules, if you're a beaver or a cub, you must help prepare the meal. If you're a scout or an explorer scout, you must actually prepare and make the meal. Okay, it's part of the challenge to do that. But as I said, I'm going to use a Trangier, so a lightweight camping stove, and I'm going to look at having these Wayfarer meals, which are pre-cooked, oil in the bag, eat out the bag, so no washing up, straight in the bin. But I might consider using the barbecue, as I'm going to have it for the campfire, have some burgers and sausages, have that later. But all your choices, please ask your mum and dad, run it by them, speak to them, see what they can do, what you can do, what you have. Step 4, campfires. Now campfires can be anything. If you've got a lovely big back garden, you can have a bonfire. I've got a smaller garden, so I need to think a little bit smarter. I'm going to use a barbecue. It's off the ground. I've got plenty of wood I've chopped already, So this is what I'm going to be using. You could even try and make a little barbecue. I found some bricks around, so bricks to keep it off the ground, so you're not going to burn the grass or burn any of your other bits and pieces. So get some bricks, get it off the ground, and I found a biscuit tin. Look, see, still got the biscuits on the bottom, but it's a nice metal container. You can place that down. Again, build a fire, but you do need to ask Mum and Dad about building a fire to make sure they're happy with it. If you haven't got a big garden for a bonfire or barbecue or make your own, we've got everything taken care of. We can do a little bit of crafting. So, jam jars or curry pots, tomato sauce jars, soak the label off. Even little pots like this. But what I would like to do, because you can use these with candle tea lights, or you can even get the ones with batteries now, so if you are camping indoors, you can use those and be nice and safe. But it would be nice for everyone to do a jam jar with some paints. So a little bit of art, get your paints and paintbrushes out. It would be very nice for everyone to have a jam jar and to paint a rainbow on for the NHS. So when we do our campfire, we'll all together have a rainbow which will be lit up. So planning ahead for the campfire, a couple of things you need to think about. Mum and Dad might be going shopping soon, so you need to put something on the order. Biscuits, marshmallows, key ingredients, okay? Think about maybe skewers as well to put on your campfire. You can even toast a marshmallow over a candle. Okay, something to think about. So you don't need a campfire, you just need the flame. And if you haven't got that, you've got a gas hob, go inside and do it over the heat of the gas hob. Okay, so you won't miss out. So just to summarise, let's go through it one last time. Pack a bag, sort out everything you need, sort out your sleeping options. I've chosen to sleep out in a bivvy bag. Talk about your cooking options, plan it with your parents if they're happy, and then last of all, talk about and plan your campfire. Even if it's just a jam jar with a rainbow on and a tea light in it, that's all you need. Okay, now let's talk about time. So, it is on Thursday the 30th, and you have any part of the day to set up. So set up at your leisure, but look out for another video and there'll be a opening ceremony and a welcome. So look out for that. It will be after this video. Then at 6:30 we'll be doing a quiz, and that will be via Zoom, and it's only going to last about a quarter of an hour. And then get yourself ready for, again on Zoom, we'll stay connected for our campfire at 7 o'clock. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.